Hey guys, what is up? This is YuXin Huanglong, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a Pyraminx. As that's being said, let's get started. In order to set up a Pyraminx, you will need a Pyraminx. I'm using the YuXin Huanglong M Pyraminx, a cloth, lubes, a brush, and a screwdriver. So the first step is to disassemble the cube, and I'm starting with the tips. After taking off the tips from the cube, you can unscrew the screws with the help of screwdriver. After disassembling the Pyraminx completely, you will be left only with the core. And what I like to do is to organize all the pieces into sections so that it would be easier while reassembling the cube. Now what you're gonna do is wipe the pieces completely so that no dirt or pre-existing glue is left off. Now as we are done with cleaning, let's get on with the lubing process. I am using a weight 5 for the core. You can use any lube with high viscosity from weight 3 to weight 5, but make sure that you don't use the weight 1 or weight 2. That will make your cube unstable. So what you're gonna do is to apply just a drop of lube into the core, and then you can also lube the areas where two of the internal pieces meet each other. First start off by screwing in one of the center pieces to the core, and then just repeat the process of lubing and reassembling. Yeah, you know. Now if we have assembled all the centers, continue assembling the edges except the last one.
One eternity later.
Now that we've reached the last edge, what you gotta do is take any water-based lube or a lube with low viscosity and coat the area with a generous amount of lube. Also add a little bit of lube to the tips. Now just put on the last edge, the magnet. So tensioning the cube is a large step, and I'll be making a dedicated video on that. So make sure that you subscribe and hit the bell icon. For now, you just have to make sure that all the screws are in the same position and move on with assembling the tips. Now for Maru users, it's not a big deal. You just have to drop in few drops of lubes into the cube as well as the tips. If you really found the video helpful, consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon.